Hey guys, and welcome to Randy Marion Chevrolet. Today we're going to take you on a tour of one of our 2020 Chevrolet Silverado Duramax 2500s. This one is also equipped with the Rocky Ridge K2 package. Has an insane look all around. We're going to go ahead and start up with the front end. This truck is also based off of the LTZ trim level with the Z71 package, so it's a fully loaded truck. But we have a body color bumper with all your parking sensors and forward facing camera. We have some chrome trim and the new Chevy logo up front, given this is the 2020 generation. And then up top, I love the contrast with the satin black vinyl decal. Just gives it a really aggressive design up front. We have Rocky Ridge up on the windshield, and of course the Duramax and Z71 logo. And then on the side, this has Rocky Ridge's 3-inch suspension lift kit. First and foremost, we have these really nice fuel wheels finished off with gloss black, and they have some machined silver accents. And then we have an all-terrain BF Goodrich tire. And then moving towards the suspension, this is all Rocky Ridge's suspension. Really nice components all around to give this that insane ride height. We even have a 360 camera system. Cameras are located down here. And then if we open up the door, being a lifted truck, we also have a set of power folding side steps. Makes it really easy to get in and out of the truck. And then once you close it, they'll automatically retract. And then being the 2500, we also have these side steps on this portion right here and in the rear bumper. Of course, the same suspension and wheel setup for the rear. And then moving to the rear, we have a really nice Rocky Ridge emblem, a body colored bumper with all of your parking sensors and your rear cameras. And then one thing I really love about the Silverado, pressing the button, it soft opens. And then another really cool feature, all you gotta do is press the button again and it automatically closes. So now in the 2500, this is an LTZ, so we have a really nice interior finished off with leather everywhere. Of course, we have the heated and ventilated seats, we have parking sensors, the camera system, really nice navigation display, and the camera up on the rearview mirror. One thing really cool with this Rocky Ridge package, if you open up the center console here, we have a lockable gun safe. This is all made out of metal, super high strength and very durable. You can safely and securely store anything you need in here, which is a really cool touch. And then also another nice touch, we have the Rocky Ridge logo embroidered up on the headrest, even with a little orange accents just to add some flair. And then you also get a really nice look at these leather seats, finished off with perforated leather in the center and nice smooth leather on the outsides. We also have 5 different auxiliary switches on the left side of the steering wheel. So if there's any added accessories you want to add to this truck, you have easy access to add them. And then going to the rear, this is a full crew cab, so we have the full 4-door configuration, a ton of space back here for rear passengers. We have the same seating setup with the nice leather, and then I really like how the Silverados have this extra storage in the center of these seats. We also have heated seats back here and just a ton of space. So setting off now in the 2020 Duramax 2500, first and foremost, we have that legendary diesel engine, and with all that torque just like that, we are right up to speed with no issue. So this Rocky Ridge package, it just makes the truck look so good. I love the aggressive design all around, and then the lift kit has the perfect ride height. And one thing that I really like, now this kit is actually backed by a 3-year warranty from Rocky Ridge, and that's one of the reasons why we pick up these trucks from their company to sell on our lot. It's because this drives like a factory truck. It doesn't feel like it's a giant lifted truck with oversized tires. It tracks very straight, taking turns even. There's no body roll, it just feels like a normal stock truck, and yet it is lifted with bigger tires. And even coming to a stop now, everything tracks really straight and drives smooth. It drives exactly the way you would want your brand new Silverado to drive. I like how there's the attention to detail with this full lift kit, and everything just works very nicely. And on top of all that, with the oversized tires, this already has a speedometer calibration done to it, so you don't have to worry about that. The speedometer is exactly what I'm going, and it's just a nice feature to have. You don't have to worry about it. But when you are driving it, there's a lot of road presence. I really like the white color of this truck with all the black accents and even that satin black vinyl graphic on the hood. I can see it from here. I have a really good view out of the truck. Of course, you have fantastic visibility, and you just feel on top of the world. Now, this isn't the biggest truck out there. Of course, you can opt for the 5-inch lift kit, which is a seriously large truck. But this one, it's the perfect level if you don't want the craziest in height, but it's big enough to make you feel like you're in something super special, and you definitely have a lot of road presence when you're out driving. So there's a look at one of our 2020 Chevrolet Silverados with the Rocky Ridge K2 package. This is a sweet truck inside and out. If you have any questions on it or would like to schedule a test drive to get this truck out on the road for yourself, you can contact us with all of our information down in the description.